Confronting others. Many of us feel the need to confront others because we have a problem with them or perhaps their behavior, and yet we feel reluctant to do so for fear that the conversation may end up in a big fight or argument. This need not be the case. Here's a simple formula called confront that will enable you to very constructively and positively confront another person with a problem you have with them so that you can both come out winners. So, confront. The C stands for communicate your needs and the reasons for them. What do you need from the other person? How do you need them to behave? What do you need to be different? What are your needs that are being met in terms of how you are working with them? But more importantly, what are your unmet needs? Describe, therefore, what is currently happening that gives you concern. O stands for open mind. Keep an open mind. They may not respond negatively or aggressively. They may be very reasonable. Maybe you're being overly fearful. So keep an open mind and try and be positive about how they will receive this feedback. Try and predict their reaction and be prepared for it. N means neutralize. Neutralize your view of the other party. You may not really like them. You may not really trust them. You may not want a close working relationship with them. However, avoid your personal bias. Try and be objective about the relationship. Ask open questions of them about the situation as they see it. Listen. Summarize your understanding of where they're coming from and try and build on your understanding of what they're saying. Do not criticize what they're saying or reject it, receive it, because that is their view, and we need to try and understand why they have that view. F is find out their ideas for resolving the conflict. What are their ideas? Build on their ideas. Try and build the trust in the relationship back again. Try and be creative in your problem solving. Try and be collaborative. Perhaps look at the whole situation from a different perspective. Maybe start from scratch. R means respond. Respond to the other person's ideas and think about how you can actually work with them rather than against them. Maybe their ideas are 80% unworkable. Maybe there's 20% that are good and that you can focus in on. O means own. Own the outcome with the other party. This is a joint relationship, a joint effort, and therefore there should be co-ownership of the issues and the problem. Agree to jointly work on the solution together. N stands for new way of working. Establish a new norm, a new relationship, a new beginning, and think about how you can introduce that together and what the results might be in the future going forward. And finally, T stands for treat. Treat the other party with respect. Value them. Build on the relationship. Work with them to improve results to the benefit of you both. So confront situations before they worsen, the relationship worsens, the results you get between the two of you worsen, and the whole situation escalates out of control. Tackle problems with people as soon as possible, and you will find that the outcome is a lot better than you ever had imagined.